Hello dear Pisces, how are you guys doing? So this is a general love reading for the remaining days of January 2021. So let's quickly see what your partner's energy is and your energy is and the outcome of this particular relationship, okay? So your partner right now is in the energy of the Fool. So they are taking a leap of faith, or they are on another journey of doing something else. Maybe though they are not right now focused on the relationship, but right now they are on they're on some kind of new journey. They are on some kind of maybe a new career or new relationship or new path. They are just exploring life. They are on the verge of a childlike energy. Right now they are not in the mood of serious kind of relationship or serious kind of commitment thing right now. And on the other hand, Three of Wands energy is there. There is something that you are waiting for very eagerly, and you might get the clarity, Pisces, now, because you might be waiting for this person to come to you, and now you are getting the clarity about this particular person, whether they are coming to you or not. But right now you are in the zone of, yes, I will get this, I will get the clarity of what is happening right now, okay? They see you, how they see you. This is the Two of Pentacles energy. They are not, right now juggling between maybe two people, or they are juggling between two career, or they are something like that. There is personal and professional life. So right now they might be juggling between two situations, and right now they are not focused on the relationship the way they should be. So that is making you a little, maybe you are hurting with this. Maybe you are feeling like, okay, they left you in the cold and they are not responding well, or whatever you are feeling right now. It is a kind of energy that they are juggling between two situations right now, and they are not able to make any kind of decision, okay? And how you see them, the Page of Pentacles, you also know that they are busy doing something else. Maybe they are focusing more on their career, or maybe they are focusing more on something else in their life. And you see them, yes, you see them as starting something new in their life, and maybe you are giving them their space, okay, right now. And what they feel about this relationship right now is a Page of Swords energy. They are getting the clarity that what they want from this particular relationship right now. They are day by day, and you can say by each passing day they are getting the mental clarity, and they are cutting out all the stupidity, all the negativity from this relationship, and they are getting mental clarity about what they want from this particular relationship. And right now I can see is they are very confused about this relationship, I'm telling you, okay? And what you feel about this relationship is the Ace of Pentacles. You want a new beginning with this person, Pisces. You want this person to come out of this confusing state and tell them exactly what is happening, and start a particular and start this relationship all over again right now, okay? And what they want from this relationship is the strength. They are acting very courageous. They are moving forward in their life with courage and strength, and they are not in the mood of committing, or they are not in the mood of maybe marriage or something like that right now. Right now they are not in the mood of love or emotional bondages or any kind of this situation. Right now they are focused on themselves only. On the other hand, what you want from this relationship is you want to look inside. You want to analyze what is happening. You want to know the truth. Maybe you are just from inside, you are feeling like, okay, there's something going on in their life that is not that's not true, or they are not telling you the truth, or they are like, you are over analyzing. Basically you are over analyzing everything, and you are making yourself like, okay, I don't know what is happening with this person, and you want to know what is happening with this person, and that is why you are going within yourself and you want a clarity, okay? So the outcome from their side is the World. So there is a completion of a cycle. There is a completion of, maybe this relationship is completed from their side. Maybe this relationship is not over from their side, but there is some kind of changes that is drastic, and there is some kind of changes that change the whole perspective of this particular relationship with you, Pisces, okay? And on the other hand, the outcome from your side is the Ace of Swords. After cutting out all the negativity, toxicity, all the stupid things from your life, you will start a new beginning. You will, from your side, I can see a new beginning happening from your side, but from their side, I feel like there is a completion of a cycle. They are in another zone. They are not right now in the commitment or happily ever after or lovey-dovey zone. Right now, they are focused on something else, and maybe their career. What I can see is they are focused on something else, and they are juggling between two situations, and they are very confused about this particular relationship right now. The guidance from the universe, the opportunity for growth for this particular relationship is the Seven of Cups. So what I can see is, I don't think this relationship is going anywhere right now. I mean, not in negative zone, not in positive zone. They're very confused about something in their life. They have so many options in their life that they are not able to understand which one is the good one for me. So right now they are in the zone of confusion and confliction right now. And the guidance from the universe is 8 of swords. So basically the universe wants to tell you that whatever you are thinking about them right now is maybe it can be true as well, but not in that way that you have to create a jail in your mind. You are mentally in that state of pain, you are mentally thinking about the worst. So please come out of this zone, because that is there's nothing that is happening like that, like the way you are thinking it to be. Okay, so this is the kind of energy right now. So the universe is guiding you, so come out of this mental jail, and you can easily come out of this. You have to just be patient, you have to be just hopeful and positive in this particular relationship with this person. Okay, so thank you so much, Pisces, for listening to me. And this is the general reading, the general love reading. It can or it cannot resonate with you, and it is till the end of January 2021. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste, and do subscribe to my channel and comment in the comment section below. Thank you.